The world is changing, and so is the way in which money moves. Never in history has there been so many opportunities online for people looking in the right places. Research shows that the growing number of millennial millionaires have their earnings in ways connected to the internet. You may be wondering if you can make a lot of money and where you would need to start. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 ways you can start making money online today. And I will also provide you with practical steps you should take in order to make these options a reality. So sit back, relax, and click the like button. Here we go. Number 1. Invest in stocks. A great way to start making money is through investing. This is, of course, if you have money to invest. If you don't have experience in investing in stocks and shares, you can start with index funds. You can do this by speaking to a broker. Generally, if you invest in a dividends-paying fund, you can expect about 7% dividend payout annually, which is usually paid out in each quarter of the year. This is a true form of passive income since you won't have to do anything to receive your dividend payment. You simply need to own shares. To start, find a broker. You can find them through banks that offer these services or management sites that offer S&P 500 stocks like Fidelity Investments, Robinhood, or E-Trade. You then need to choose a risk plan and the amount you want to invest. Deposit your money and wait for your dividends payment. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another trendy way of making money online, but this does not mean that everyone is necessarily doing it right. You can simply focus on affiliate links specific to the niche you intend to work on. Affiliate marketing is when you drive traffic to a particular product listed on online stores like Amazon. When someone makes a purchase, you receive a commission from the sale. You could pull an audience through your social media profile, blog, or YouTube channel and find a way to include the links in your content. To start, create a Facebook page on a particular product niche, for example, shoes. Then find the products on Amazon. Just ensure you've already opened an affiliate account on the store's website. Post pictures of the shoes on your Facebook page with links to the specific products. Then promote your posts through Facebook ads. Then come back to this channel and share your success story. Number 3. Start a blog. Starting a blog has always been great to build an audience. You can pick anything that interests you in life. Chances are, there are a lot of people around the world who have the same interests as you. Share your knowledge about the subject and provide value through helpful information. If you love writing, then this may be a walk in the park. Though sustaining such a task will need hard work. When your audience has grown, you can monetize your blog through Google Ads. You could also add your affiliate links relevant to your topics. This way, you make money from the blog through ads and indirectly through affiliate links. To start, create an account on Shopify or WordPress, then create your site and start writing. Remember to choose your words carefully so that you add as many keywords as possible, making your blogs easy to find online while keeping them interesting for readers. Number 4. Dropshipping. The story is as simple as someone made $1 million from dropshipping. The person that screamed, "I made $1 million!" letting the whole world know of the success. And as you might expect, everyone jumped on the opportunity and the industry became so saturated that it produced more failures than success. The problem was that everyone thought it was easy money and gave it a bad reputation through bad service and questionable methods of selling. You don't have to be in the crowd that jumps on the dropshipping when they thought it was the easiest way to make money. Since people are losing interest in it, there has never been a better time to get into dropshipping as now. Dropshipping is the ability to build a store without inventory. You simply display products from the manufacturers. Every time a sale is made, the supplier delivers the product directly to the buyer and gives you your profit. You set the price and the difference between the supplier's price and your final price. The difference belongs to you. This allows you to make money in your sleep. To start, go to Shopify and create an account. Find an app called Obelo and choose products that you want to sell. Add them to your store and watch the money pile up. Well, you have to promote your website and products. Facebook ads are your best bet at getting your products to the right audience. Number 5. Teach English. There's a growing need for English lessons all over the world, and the internet has provided a platform for people fluent in English to provide these services for them. You don't have to be a qualified teacher. You could teach English to children and adults from a number of countries in Asia, and there are a number of websites offering English teachers this platform. To start, Google Teach English Online and find the right website. Create an account and start teaching. Most sites usually give you options on whether you can receive payment weekly or monthly. Sell ebooks. There is a great number of people buying ebooks to help them in certain aspects of their lives, like improving their cooking skills. You can write ebooks in a niche you like and give your best knowledge on the subject. These kinds of products generally get promoted through word of mouth and active advertisement through social media and other online platforms. To start writing the ebook. Find a freelancer to help you format your writing to an ebook format. Open an account on Amazon and list your ebook. Promote your link to the ebook and get people to buy them. Over time, you may start getting purchases from search on Amazon. Number 7. Sell online courses. If you were to sell jackets, you would need a supplier who can design the specific design you have. You will pay for each jacket, sell it and make a profit from the sale. This means that each sale needs you to have the jacket printed, which means work and money for you. Online courses are, however, different in that you work and invest once. When your course is on sites like Udemy, you earn money in your sleep. You don't have to create physical components of your product. This is the great thing about digital products. You can choose something you're an expert in and teach others by recording yourself explaining the concepts and guiding others on a step-to-step basis. To start, create a video of your course. Once edited, sell it through Udemy. To help with branding, you can create your own website and promote it. You'll receive 100% profits from each sale, and the earning potential is limitless. There are a lot of people who have had success with this, and you might just be next. Number 8. Freelancing. If you have a particular skill, whether you've studied for it or are currently working in, you can use it to make money through freelancing. You might be good in graphic designing or could offer graphic design services to people online. You need to market these services to prospective clients. Facebook advertising is still a great way to let the right people know about you and your services. There are also a number of freelance websites to help you find the right clients. To start, identify the services you can provide online. Sign up to Fiverr or Upwork and promote your services through social media. It will take time to gain traction, but it will all be worthwhile when you start growing a reputation and social proofing. At number 9, virtual assistant services. With the current pandemic and people trying to find alternative ways to do work, virtual assistant work is on the rise. You will simply need to assist small businesses complete administrative tasks like replying to emails and bookkeeping. If you can provide these services, then you are on a good start. To start promoting your services by approaching small businesses. You can reach out to them through cold emailing or promoting your services through Google Ads. You should also build a reputable profile on LinkedIn. Finally, at number 10, sell your photos. The great thing about selling your photos is that it is not limited to a particular niche. Providing stock photos to websites selling them covers just about anything. Even taking pictures of your food could make you money through these sites if you could do it well. To stand out from the crowd, you can start by taking photos in a well-planned setting and edit them for touch-ups. To start, you need to take the pictures and then upload them to stock image websites. Every time someone searches for images relevant to the ones you've uploaded and picks yours, you get paid for the use of your picture. You can upload your pictures on sites like Shutterstock or Getty Images. Remember that the more pictures you have, the better the chances of making a lot of money. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comment section which of these hustles you will start and which ones you'd like us to make a dedicated video on. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.